I'm not sure how good this will come through, but this is the kind of like the latest Sherp to come out. He said there's a lot of interior changes. So you got like a nice cubby hole out there with two 12-volt accessory plugs. Let's see if I can climb in here. That all looks pretty similar. All the gauges are on the side here. My gauges are there. That will be the backup, the screen for the backup camera. So another cubby hole with two more, so that's 4 12-volt accessory plugs. That's pretty cool. That down there looks a little different, but all of the buttons look pretty much the same. Air control valve, shifter, brake, clutch, they all look pretty similar. And then this back looks pretty similar. Oh, there's a really nice cubby hole up there. That's pretty neat. Hold a lot of stuff. So mostly just kind of this overhead kind of gauge pod is probably pretty much the most kind of major changes. There's two 12-volt plugins back there. Ours just has one on one side. So back door and everything looks pretty much the same. Pretty neat though. Get to come to like Sherp Canada and Winnipeg and check out all the new coolest stuff. It's pretty freaking awesome. It's like Disneyland. Look at these tires. All the Sherps. If you look, they come shipped with these tiny little tires, so they can ship them much easier. And then they ship the tires separately, probably deflated, so they can ship a lot of them too. But like, look at that, insane. So freaking cool. We should do a burnout video with all these all these little trailering tires. Pretty freaking neat, man. Here's a real kind of good view of the inside of the Sherp. There's massive drive chains hooked up, and then there's your steering right there. 2 large calipers on 2 large discs. You pull back and it basically stops one side, which makes you turn. There's the Kubota 1.5 liter Kubota motor. There's the Webasto heater. The exhaust goes out the side there. It's the one rad for the motor. So you can flick a fan on and it exhausts hot air out the side if you notice your temperature starting to climb if you're really working. But these things run really, really good. They run cool for being all closed in. They work really well. There's a really good kind of overall view of everything. Hey guys, just a quick video of the inside of the Sherp. I don't think I really shown it on any of the videos. They come with these removable storage boxes. You can either have them up on their edge like that or sitting down flat. This way, if you have them up on edge, you get more floor space in the middle for your boots. But a couple blankets on that, and you got a couple bench seats for passengers. You can also sit up there, but it's not quite as comfortable as kind of sitting down a little lower. On the side here, you got all kinds of storage loops. You can hook all kinds of netting and stuff for all kinds of storage. Got some like oh crap handles hanging off the ceiling to hang on to when stuff gets a little rough. Moving forward here, this is also a nice little seat here. This is the cover that covers the motor, transmission, and all the drive gear. So that makes a great seat too, kind of up here with the driver and passenger. Here you can see it's pretty basic 5-speed manual. You got your clutch, your gas pedal, and then your brakes and your steering are by the handles there. Here is how you inflate and the valve for inflating your tires. Or actually that's a diverter valve solenoid. This is the valve that you use to deflate. And then you got your oilers for your chains, your inside heater, your fan for your motor to cool your motor off. It's got a backup camera actually. I don't know, might need the key on to see that. So it's actually really handy when backing up. You got your little backup camera there, so that works extremely well. And then these are all your lights here, which when you got them on, and holy cow, they're freaking bright as heck. Try to get some video at night with them. You got your horn there, so that's kind of all the controls. It's really easy. It's like one of the easiest. If you've never driven a standard, you could hop in this, throw it in second gear, dump the clutch, it doesn't stall, and just and you're gone. So it kind of comes all covered in the interior with this pretty cool camo material here. Pretty rugged stuff. Kind of covers up all the bare aluminum, so it's a little bit more cozy in here. But yeah, just kind of a really quick overview of the inside. Like I said, I don't know if I've ever done a video of the inside of it. I'll throw up a couple clips of people driving it, various people, sister-in-law and nephews and stuff like that. No one has any issues driving it. It's a really easy thing to drive. So yeah, there's the back door, how you get in the back here. It opens up pretty good. When you're floating in the water, I believe that back bumper is out of the water. So you're well above, say, where the back door is, even though it's got a nice kind of rubber gasket. You're never in the water deep enough to worry about water coming in. The tires float that good. So all right, stay tuned. We'll put a couple clips in. Yeah, you do.
Oh, really?
Okay, clutch in first.
Yeah.
Okay, slowly let her out. And
Gas.
Gas is right here.
Brake.
There's no brake. Brake is both back, remember?
Is that second?
Yeah.
I go to third?
Sure, if you want. Oh, that's too far. Right there. Yeah.
But I stopped.
Yeah, that's okay. It's because you're too slow.
Shut up.
Third's good. Then try steering.
You shoulder check?
Pretty good, pretty good. Third's good because then if you go through some deep snow, it'll still be good. Yeah, there's not quite enough snow to be really, really challenging. All right, Jetter's gonna take her for a cruise.
Well, that's weird.
That's okay, you can start out second. It's an easy place to learn, no consequences. No one to run over. J-Ball's never driven the Sherp before. Oh, that's reverse. That's weird. We're out in the middle of the lake. The ice is solid as F. And you got one little spot for whatever reason. Let me get nice and close so I fall in. But yeah, it's like totally... Hey, you can go forward. Just put her in first and just let her walk right out. Right on. That's pretty good for his first time driving the Sherp. Man, it's so crazy how it breaks right along those cracks. That's pretty awesome. He's surfing on some ice chunks.